In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams. We're going to keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Teams, find the Meet area, generate a meeting link, and copy it so you can share it anywhere. This is perfect for quick, ad hoc meetings when you don't need a full calendar invite. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can use the desktop app if it's installed on your computer, or go to Teams in your web browser. Sign in with your work or school account so you land on the main Teams home screen. If this is your first time, give the app a moment to load your workspace. Once it's open, you'll see a vertical sidebar on the left with your core navigation. Next, look to that left sidebar and click on Meet. This section is designed for starting or managing meetings. It keeps everything meeting related in one place, so you don't have to dig through chats or channels. After you click, you'll see options focused on jumping into a call or preparing one to share. Now, choose Create a Meeting Link. This is the fastest way to spin up a meeting without scheduling it on a calendar. Think of it as a ready-to-join room that only needs a link. Teams will prepare a unique URL for your meeting so you can invite people however you like, via chat, email, or any messaging tool your team uses. When you're ready, click Create and Copy Link. The moment you do, Teams generates the meeting and places the link on your clipboard automatically. You'll usually see a small confirmation that it's been copied. From here, paste the link into a message, an email, or a channel post. Anyone who receives it can use it to join, subject to your organization's policies. If your company requires the organizer to admit participants, they'll show up in a lobby first, and you can let them in when the meeting starts. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth: share the link only with people who should be in the meeting, especially if you're discussing sensitive topics. If you're sending it to a large group, consider adding a brief note with the purpose and time so everyone knows what to expect. And after you've shared it, you can keep the link handy in case someone needs to rejoin later. That's all there is to it. Open Teams, click Meet, create a meeting link, then create and copy it to share. Simple, quick, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.